na. Congratulations, boys. Samahan niyo ako dito sa tabi ko. Good job. Marcus, Hens, and Neil. Ayan na. Okay ba?
Okay po.
Okay. Ang tanong dito, did you, superstar judges, like the way they perform? Umpisahan natin muna kay Miss Yen Constantino.
Okay, guys. I just wanna be honest. May nafe-feel talaga ako na parang tensyon na parang natatabunan yung performance ninyo. And I think that's coming from Hens. I know that this particular genre is not your genre, but I just wanted to know na appreciate ko that you did your best. But next time, loosen up. It's okay, you know? But sa inyong dalawa, good job. I really loved it.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Yen.
Thank you po.
Vice.
Okay. Sa grupong to, napatunayan ko talaga na it's not enough that you have the talent. It's not enough na marunong ka kumanta. Kailangan, pakita nyo sa amin na mukha ka ng superstar kasi hindi na to audition. Ayoko nang makakita ng mukhang nag-audition. Gusto ko nang makakita ng mukhang between.
Thank you very much, Vice. Kuya Aga.
You know, hence, you've always been consistent with your look. Tama yung sinasabi nila, nakikita ko rin na parang may nervous kayo, no? But yung dating nyo sa tao, okay, no? Malakas ang dating nyo, gwapo kayo, hence. Marcus, you stepped up. Neil, man, ang laki na pinagbago mo.
Thank you po.
So for the better now, you guys are great, but kulang. May nervous lang kayo.
Thank you very much, Aga. Dara.
Yes, rocker at mga R&B singer pinagsama-sama sa isang grupo. Pero may kakaibang appeal din naman kayo at you did a good job and maganda yung stage presence nyo and yung performance nyo. You guys are improving.
Thank you po. Thank you
Maraming
po.
salamat, judges. Salamat din sa group na I Want It That Way. Pwede na kayo muna magpahinga. Samahan niyo mga kapatid niyo doon. Ayan si Hens, si Neil. Ayan.